always encourage people to understand एक चीज़ अपने बारे में is that you need to ask yourself, what do I really want? अगर डिसिप्लिन नहीं है तो कोई इंसान कभी भी सोएगा, कभी भी उठेगा, कभी भी ब्रेकफास्ट करेगा, कभी भी तैयार, देयर इज नो स्ट्रक्चर टू योर डे. तो हम लोग हैबिट स्टैकिंग एक चीज़ होती है विच इज़ कॉल्ड कि आप जो एग्जिस्टिंग हैबिट है आपका, उसके आगे या पीछे आप नया हैबिट यू काइंड ऑफ पुट इट इनसाइड. मल्टीटास्किंग इज के मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ और उसके अलावा मैं फ़ोन पे बैठ के किसी को मैसेज भी कर रही हूँ या फिर कुछ मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन भी बना रही हूँ, तो उसको मल्टीटास्किंग बोलते हैं. किसी का बच्चा ज़्यादातर फ़ोन पे है और पेरेंट्स कंप्लेन करते हैं मेरा बच्चा तो पूरा दिन फ़ोन पे होता है, पूरा दिन टीवी देखता है. आप रिफ्लेक्ट करो, how much TV time do you do, or how much phone time are you, how much are you on the phone when your child is around? So discipline happens and begins from home,
right?
And we need to ensure that हम लोग एक अच्छा environment create करें बच्चों के लिए. My parents only don't love me because I win. My parents love me because I exist and I'm working hard towards my goals. So वो एक important चीज़ I think as parents we need to keep in mind.
Hi everyone, मैं हूँ शमाइज़ा साकिब from Moza Women Voice of Dignity and Honor and I'm back again today with another episode. और आज का episode based है on self discipline. सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन लाइफ में क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, इसके सीक्रेट्स आज हम अनलॉक करने वाले हैं विद NLP कोच वन एंड ओनली एवरीवन्स फेवरेट सकीना. सो सकीना, हाउ आर यू टुडे?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
Good, all good. So let's start with self discipline. सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन लाइफ में इम्पॉर्टेंट तो है, आई डू बिलीव इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट ये आएगा कैसे? हाउ टू इनकलकेट इट?
ओके, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन व्हेन वी हियर द वर्ड, ये नाम ही सुन के ऐसे बहुत ही बोरिंग और बहुत ही ऐसे पुलिस टाइप, मिलिट्री टाइप ऐसे लगता है कि सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन मीन्स ओ माय गॉड बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन रहना है, ऐसे बात करना है, ऐसे उठना है, ऐसे सोना है. सो नो, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन इज नॉट दैट. सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन इज बेसिकली आवर पावर टू मास्टर आवर माइंड. ओके, तो द मोमेंट वी मास्टर आवर माइंड, तो हमारा लाइफ एक राइट ट्रैक पे चलने लगता है एंड इट बिकम्स ईजियर फॉर अस टू अचीव गोल्स, टू हैव बेटर रिलेशनशिप्स, टू बी हैप्पी विद आवरसेल्व्स एंड बी कंटेंट एंड सेटिस्फाइड. सो that is why self discipline is important. Now basic cheese I always ask people and I always encourage people to understand एक चीज़ अपने बारे में is that you need to ask yourself, what do I really want
in life?
When you ask this question, what do I really want, it does not have to be like a list or your shopping list or something like that. It's just, it can be a very simple thing, like maybe आप every few days अपने आप को पूछो what do I want. इससे दो चीज़ होती है. वन इज़ कि क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट जो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है इन ऑर्डर टू लीड अ सेटिस्फाइड लाइफ, वो मिलती है. ओके, सो सिंपल सी चीज़ है, व्हाट डू आई रियली वांट. अगर मैं आपको अभी ऑफ हैंड पूछूँ व्हाट डू आई रियली वांट, यू विल स्टिल you'll not be able to say, you will need some time to think, you will need some time कि आप मैं बैठ के एनालाइज करूँ अपने आप को, मेरे लाइफ को, कि अभी मेरे लाइफ में मुझे क्या चाहिए.
राइट.
एंड when we analyze that, we have to ensure कि हम लोग we are not counting कमियाँ अपनी लाइफ में कि मेरे पास ये कम है, ये कम. So it's not about the lack we have in a life, but it's about what हम ज़्यादा हाइप करना चाहते हैं अपने लाइफ में, क्या प्रोडक्टिव करना चाहते हैं या फिर क्या अचीव करना चाहते हैं. So that is a very important question we need to ask. The moment we have an answer to that, here you can chunk it down कि how will you achieve that. So it begins from what do I really want. Because बहुत बार हम लोग जब if you sit in the car, you sit in the car, you start the car, you go, लेकिन आपको पता नहीं है कहाँ जा रहे हो आप. Will you reach a destination? No. You may just go for a pleasurely drive. ठीक है, वो चीज़ ठीक है, लेकिन आप कहीं पहुँच नहीं रहे हो. You're just going for fun. And we can't just take our life for a spin for fun. Of course, we need to have fun, but we need to have a purpose in life. So when you sit in your car, the car of life, you need to know where are you driving to. Are you going to Dumas, or are you going to Goa, or are you going to another city or another place within the
A destination.
So एक छोटा या big whatever, it has to be very clear on your cards कि what do you really want. Only then you can break it down, chunk it down, and then have smaller goals to achieve that. So ये एक important question है for self discipline, because discipline तभी आएगा जब आपको पता है कि आप कहाँ जाना है. तो फिर आप ट्रैफिक के रूल्स फॉलो करोगे. अगेन कमिंग बैक टू द एग्जांपल ऑफ द कार, you'll follow the traffic rules, you'll wear the seat belts, you'll show the indicator.
But nowadays the problem is people don't like to follow the rules. Even they don't like, when it comes to self discipline also you have to bind yourself, no, like you have to get strict with yourself, you have to pressurize yourself to, you know, do a certain thing. So that is the thing which people don't like doing these days.
So the moment you start thinking that I don't want to be strict with myself, या फिर self discipline is about being strict with yourself and is about binding yourself, so no, that's just a perception. वो ऐसा actually होता ही नहीं है. आपको strict नहीं होना आपके साथ, खुद के साथ. You have to सिर्फ change the way you do certain things. So वो एक discipline मतलब ये नहीं है कि अपने आप को आप bind कर रहे हो. In fact आप अपने
Like Shilpa Shetty in a recent video said, like how a doctor prescribes medicines to a patient, वैसे you need to start prescribing things to yourself,
right,
so that mandatorily you can perform that.
absolutely. So it's simple चीज़ है. अगर you again coming back to simple things, like अगर discipline नहीं है तो कोई इंसान कभी भी सोएगा, कभी भी उठेगा, कभी भी breakfast करेगा, कभी भी तैयार, you know, there is no structure to your day. So we are just bringing structure to your life in order to have a fruitful life. And it's not about being strict. वो strict तभी लगता है जब आप वो routine में आने लगते हो for the initial few days.
Right.
But then after those days are passed, it becomes a lifestyle. 21 days के बाद हर चीज़, हर एक habit lifestyle बन जाती है, and उसके बाद you will not even want to deviate from that because आपको वो results दिखने लगते हैं. Like a good lifestyle. Example, simple good lifestyle. आप you know wake up on time, have a morning routine, जो भी है आपको करना है. When you'll see the changes in yourself, then it will not be you'll not call it as I'm binding myself. You'll be like I'm elevating myself. I'm living a better life.
Okay.
वो एक अपने आप में आपको देखने, you know, you'll be able to see that in yourself. So no, it is not about being strict with yourself. It's about changing certain habits, changing certain mindsets, and changing your lifestyle in order to get better from life. So ये एक perspective हर एक इंसान को बदलना चाहिए. It's not about being strict. It's about just getting a right thought process.
So basic 5 things a human can follow to, you know, get self discipline, just for a start, as a beginner.
To live a healthy lifestyle, अगर हम lifestyle की बात करें and everything is, you know, attached to that. First is sleep. Second is exercise in any form. Third is your food, like healthy, tasty food. Fourth is hydration. Your water is important. And the fifth, जो सबसे least हम weightage देते हैं उसको, that is your mental well-being,
Right.
your mental health. So these are the 5 pillars of a healthy life. And the moment you have a healthy life, बाकी सब चीज़ें by product हो जाती है, सब चीज़ें follow करने लगती हैं.
And mental health, Sakina, I believe first depends on the family environment, the environment which you have in the home. Also maybe it depends on the friends you sit with.
Yes.
So people around you
Yes.
also matters
Yeah,
a
yeah.
lot.
So first is the relationship we have with ourselves. क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत majority of people are always depending बाहर के लोगों पे for external validation, for happiness. क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि my happiness का certificate only other people can give me. Only then can I be happy. If I'm loved, तो only other people have to tell me. So वो self love का एक अलग ही topic है. But the moment हम लोग वो we take the gear in our hand कि नहीं, this is my department and it's I'm not going to rely on other people. तो वो एक चीज़ खुद का एक है self, how your relationship with yourself. And then of course the people you spend time with, your family, your friends, your social circle, because you are what people you are around with. So
Right.
अपना ये कहते हैं ना कि कंपनी इज कंटेजियस. आप किसी के साथ रहो बहुत टाइम, यू स्टार्ट behaving like that person over a certain period of time.
And also I read somewhere that having people around you who want to see you grow is very important.
Yes.
Because they somewhere motivate you, rather than if you sit with people who already have a negative mindset, they will always demotivate you.
Yes. And
Which affects you, I
and they
believe.
demotivate at the same time. There are people who are not able to achieve a lot in life, or who rather I would say they don't want to do anything in order to achieve life, because they procrastinate, because they are lazy, because they are just full of themselves, and they are all the time cribbing and being negative. तो वो लोग आपके लिए when you are also succeeding, अंदर ही अंदर they are not happy for you.
Right.
They are like looking at you with envy and jealousy, and वो आपको आपके एनर्जी को खराब करता है. तो you have to analyze and recognize कि such people are not for me, and थोड़ा distance
away,
कम
yes.
कर लेना चाहिए.
So Sakina, in today's era, some profession do want improvement, personal improvement on daily basis. So how does self-discipline help in that?
Okay, so
Professionally, I mean.
right. So habits, in order to inculcate new habits, because हम लोग professionally बहुत busy हो जाते हैं, hence बहुत सारी personal चीज़ें go for a toss. तो अगर हम लोग एक classic example की बात करें कि if you are busy like in your professional life, and a person wants to inculcate a habit of reading, okay, and they can't do that, तो हम लोग habit stacking एक चीज़ होती है which is called कि आप जो existing habit है आपका, उसके आगे या पीछे आप नया habit you kind of put it inside. So वो एक routine बन जाता है. So that is called habit stacking. And again, coming back to the example I gave, for example, reading a book. So if you have आपका डे ऑफ वर्क फिनिश हो जाता है, यू गो होम, यू फ्रेशन अप, एंड जो भी फैमिली टाइम के बाद आपका एक ऐसा रूटीन होगा रात का. फॉर एग्जांपल आप जो भी होगा, लाइक मे बी आप यू हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ टेकिंग अ शावर एंड स्लीपिंग. सो वो शावर के बाद एक रूटीन डाल दो कि मैं 5 पेजेस ऑफ बुक रीड करूँगा या करूँगी. ओके, सो वो हैबिट स्टैकिंग हो गया. मतलब आपका जो एक कॉन्स्टेंट हैबिट है एवरी डे का, उसके आगे या पीछे आप नया हैबिट डाल दो. सो वो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आपके मेमोरी को, इट्स ईजियर फॉर योर मेमोरी टू रिमेंबर दैट आई एम सपोज टू डू दिस आफ्टर दैट, एंड डोंट चेंज दैट. सो डोंट चेंज द टाइम, डोंट चेंज दैट दैट हैबिट ऑल्सो. मतलब अगर आप इसके बाद कर रहे हो तो उसके बाद ही करो एवरी डे. सो देन यू कैन इन्वॉल्व अ न्यू, यू कैन इनकलकेट अ न्यू हैबिट इन योर लाइफ स्टाइल. सो वो उसको हैबिट स्टैकिंग कहते हैं. अनदर थिंग इज़ दैट जब आपको पता चल जाता है कि what do I really want, coming back to initial question, we kind of chunk it down, right? Ke how do we achieve that? Abhi what do I really want? Maybe I'm taking simple goals, like again we take a goal of, say, if somebody does not know how to drive a car. Okay, so if their motive
That's
is
me.
oh my god,
I have a phobia. Yeah.
phobia.
I mean, I'm very scared. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा मेरा. बस ऐसा लगता है कि एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा.
आपको हुआ है पहले कभी एक्सीडेंट?
एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, बट नॉट बाय कार, बाय अ टू व्हीलर.
हाँ, बट एक्सीडेंट हुआ है.
एक्सीडेंट हुआ है.
हाँ, so phobias are usually an experience which you have
in the past.
Yeah, in the past, or else an imaginary scenario you have made up in your mind. उसको phobia कहते हैं. Otherwise it's anxiety.
And that still stops me कि no, I don't want to do it. I can't do this. बस ये ऐसा हो गया.
Maybe it's not a phobia. You can sit in the car. कोई
I
और
can sit, yeah. कोई
हाँ,
और
so
चला
then-
रहा होता है.
So then you don't have a phobia. Maybe you have an anxiety of driving.
Also, अगर कोई और भी चला रहा है तो I always keep telling her be careful, be careful. So वो मुझे एक accidental fear है मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब भी हम कार में बैठते हैं या टू व्हीलर पे होते हैं, हमारी लाइफ का रिस्क है. हम जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं वापस आएंगे या नहीं.
Oh my god, that's
So
such a negative
yeah,
thought.
yeah.
No, but that you need to change that, because thoughts become things. जो
Yes,
हम लोग again
thoughts
coming back
become
to
things,
law of
yes.
attraction, you need to change that.
But this is only in terms of vehicle and this stuff.
Yeah, so you need to improve your relationship with the car.
Vehicles?
Yes, no, it is a fact. You need to improve relationship with the things you use also. So what you could do is like, it's a wonderful live example we have. You need to change your mindset, and the way you can change it is that अगर आपके साथ कोई एक्सीडेंट हुआ है तो kind of diminish that memory. You know, NLP techniques होती है, वो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा if I tell you those techniques right now, but you need to diminish वो memory आपके दिमाग में and then start doing things that give you happiness. For example, if listening to music is something you
Something
enjoy,
that makes me
या फिर maybe if you not music, then आपका अगर कोई religious prayer है, so start जिसके साथ आप connect होते हो, तो you start playing that in the car, so you feel safe and secure. You feel that there is a spiritual energy around me which is protecting me. वो एक आप carry करो वो thought, and then you sit in the car and always instead of negative talk, do positive talk that we will reach home safely. या फिर जहाँ पे भी जा रहे हैं हम लोग सेफली पहुँच जाए. अगर आप उल्टा सोचोगे कि हम लोग घर पहुँचेंगे कि नहीं सेफली, वो एक नेगेटिव थॉट है.
Negative thought.
So you enforce.
And somewhere I know it is negative.
Yes.
It is not that I'm not aware of it. I am aware of it. But ऐसा हुआ है कि जितनी भी बार मैंने चलाने की ट्राई की है, something or other has happened with me. So now
Like what?
Like I fell down. मेरे exams थे and the other day I fell down. I couldn't go and attend my exams. And there was a time when रात को it was 2 o'clock and I was driving and we fell down. So.
But this all has happened on the bike.
On the bike, not in the car. I've never driven.
So then you need to remove that. And of course, there are procedures which we help people to erase those memories or diminish rather, not erase. But and you need to just improve your.
And recently, the Ahmedabad plane crash, again, all those things came back to my mind. मतलब वो कहीं ना कहीं वो trigger होता रहता है.
But वो तो होते रहेगा. There are like 100 accidents happening on the road, but you don't stop driving. There are people dying every day. You don't stop living.
Yeah.
So that's life. It happens. But उसकी वजह से you don't stop like living your day-to-day life. And driving is important because it makes your because it gives you freedom of going to one
My
place to
husband
another.
tells me तू कितना सारा पैसे ऑटो वाले को देती है.
Yeah.
Because every time I want to go somewhere, car is standing out. I can't drive. My husband, I can't block him every time whenever I want to go out. Simply I call auto wala. He comes, I pay.
But you know what? I think more than anything, I feel it is that sense of freedom you get.
हाँ.
Even it's not even about
मुझे ऐसा
affordability.
लगता है कि नहीं, I can afford paying him. मतलब जान का रिस्क लेने से बेटर है कि I feel what
Yeah,
I feel.
yeah,
I'm telling
yeah.
you कि instead of risking my life, it's better I pay him 100-200 rupees more. I'm okay with happy paying him money.
If that works
ये
for you, it
mindset
is
हो
good.
गया
But
मेरा.
then, if you ever wish to learn how to drive, and if anybody ever wishes to learn how to drive, तो आप उसको chunks में divide कर लो. कैसे कि अगर आपको driving सीखना है, for example, so you ensure that by the end of this week, मैं maybe यहाँ से whenever you take your driving classes, so you should know that after 1 week or after date रखना है दिमाग में, not.
Every time I inquire also on
But
call.
then, are you going for the
No,
classes?
I don't go then.
What is
Again,
the
I
sense?
said.
No, but you need to.
I need to overcome this.
You need to overcome. You will need to overcome your fears. Because एक fear है ना, and fears are not positive.
They're
It's
not,
negative.
Agreed.
And the moment you will remove that, na, you will enjoy your drives. You will enjoy. Because now, though, wherever you need to go, you have to sit in that vehicle, right?
Right.
So the amount of anxiety I can imagine you go through every time going from point A to point B, it's too much. तो आपको वो relationship वो vehicles के साथ, car के साथ improve करना होगा. And there are techniques. I'll take you through them कभी offline. But
Sure.
you need to chunk down कि अगर आपको car सीखना है तो अगर today is say for example 10th of a month, so by and date रखना है mind में, never keep कि 1 week or 10 days, because 1 week or 10 days कभी खत्म ही नहीं होता है.
Right.
अगर डेट रखना है कि by 20th of this month I should be able to drive at least whatever kilometers. Of course you have your help next to you, I mean your support next to you, support system, but मैं खुद से इतना चला लूँगी. तो फिर आप अपने जो 10 days है आपके हाथ में, आप you will give it all.
Agreed.
तो वो chunk down करना है आपको new habits को. And also coming back to what you said about the professional and personal thing.
हाँ.
बहुत बार we are so overwhelmed, हमको नहीं करना हो, we don't want to do things. So instead of saying कि मुझे I have to go to work, you change your sentence to I get to go to work, because there are so many people who are jobless, who don't have any profession.
So immediately that changes your mind.
Yes. I have to cook food. Like if अगर homemaker है, I have to cook food. You change it to I get to cook food. मतलब वो पावर आ जाता है, oh my god, I get to cook food for my house. So the moment you get to do something, that means you are able to do something. So वो पूरा perspective, again coming to perspective, change हो जाता है.
Like you are capable of doing
You are
that, so
capable
you
of
got
doing,
to do it.
and you are choosing to do it.
Right.
So वो हो जाता है, like I have to go to buy घर का सामान. I get to go to buy घर का सामान. So
this is coming back to a homemaker. Homemaker is all about multitasking.
yeah.
So कई बार it also affects the efficiency of your work.
Yes.
So how to handle this multitasking?
Multitasking.
Again, driving needs multitasking. Nowadays lot of professions need multitasking, and people do एक से ज़्यादा business भी लोग कर रहे हैं, not only in terms of housemaker.
हाँ. See, एक से ज़्यादा बिजनेस करना is not multitasking. Multitasking is classically when आप एक टाइम पे दो चीजें एक्टिवली कर रहे हो.
एक साथ कर रहे हो.
दो businesses run करना is not multitasking. In fact, it is very good. You should always have a second source of income. So that is a very good thing. Okay.
Okay.
Multitasking is कि मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ और उसके अलावा मैं फोन पे बैठ के किसी को मैसेज भी कर रही हूँ या फिर कुछ मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन भी बना रही हूँ, तो उसको मल्टीटास्किंग बोलते हैं.
Okay.
So trying to do 2 or more things together at the same time, which require mental and physical needs, that is called multitasking. We don't recommend multitasking because multitasking में दो चीज़ होती है. One is efficiency कम हो जाती है काम की, and second is mental fatigue हो जाता है. Mental fatigue is कि आप जो 10 मिनट मल्टीटास्क करोगे, आप 10 मिनट में इतने थक जाओगे. अगर आप दो चीज़ कर रहे हो 10 मिनट में, अगर आप ब्रेक इट डाउन करके 10 मिनट्स भी करोगे, 20 मिनट्स के बाद अपने इतने थके हुए नहीं होगे जितना आप 10 मिनट्स में.
agreed.
सो बिकॉज इट्स ड्रेनिंग यू एंड आपका काम भी इतना एफिशिएंटली नहीं हुआ होगा.
Agreed.
सो इंस्टेड चंक इट डाउन कि मैं 10 मिनट्स ये कर लूँगी, वट एवर टाइम, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर द नेचर ऑफ योर जॉब वॉट यूर डूइंग. तो असाइन टाइम, try to avoid multitasking. However, there are few things जहाँ पे multitasking हम कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि and I भी recommend that, क्योंकि especially business men, business women जो होते हैं या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा who have their work on calls, आप जब ड्राइव कर रहे हो वो आपका डेड टाइम है. ओके, वी अग्री, बिकॉज वो आप यू आर नॉट यूजिंग योर माइंड फॉर इट. आप ऑटो पायलट मोड पे, आपको पता है गाड़ी कैसे चलाना है, कब ब्रेक लगाना है, कब क्या करना है, व्हाटएवर. सो वो टाइम यू यूटिलाइज टू मेक योर फोन कॉल्स, पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल जो भी फोन कॉल्स है. तो वो दैट टाइप ऑफ अ मल्टीटास्किंग इज गुड बिकॉज यू आर नॉट एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व इन द फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी. ओके. अगर आपको यू वांट टू अगेन डेवलप अ हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग, so instead of reading you can listen to podcast, which is equally good.
Yeah, equally good.
Okay, so like while driving you can listen to a podcast.
Agreed.
Similarly वैसी चीजें आप compile कर सकते हो. Example, if a woman is cooking in the kitchen, उसको भी reading का, she has a flair कि मुझे read करना है लेकिन नहीं मिल रहा है time, बच्चे, खाना, all of that household नहीं. So keep a small speaker or whatever, or on your phone speaker पे podcast चालू कर दो, and you're cooking also and you're listening also. So and you're listening to good things, so वो good energy of keep putting in your food also.
Yeah.
So those type of things you can do, but don't try to multitask दो active चीजें where you cannot do justice to either of them. So chunk it down, time management अच्छे से करो कि मैं ये I'll do this and then उसके बाद I can do this and then this. So वो आपको chunk down करना बहुत important है. Don't try to multitask because वो काम 100% कभी होगा ही नहीं, because it's always going to be haphazard.
So how to handle self-discipline in kids?
Okay, so kids mirror parents. Whatever we do, वो लोग they are bound to do that.
Look up to.
So हम जो follow करते हैं life में, they will have the same, वो shadowing उन पे होगा, and they will also behave in a same way directly or indirectly. So अगर आप किसी का बच्चा ज़्यादातर फ़ोन पे है और पेरेंट्स कंप्लेन करते हैं मेरा बच्चा तो पूरा दिन फ़ोन पे होता है, पूरा दिन टीवी देखता है, आप रिफ्लेक्ट करो. How much TV time do you do, or how much phone time are you on the phone when your child is around in the room? इफ नॉट यू तो फिर आपके स्पाउस या फिर आपके जो घर में जो लोग रहते हैं दूसरे लोग. The child is learning from the people around. So you have to ensure that the child has a good atmosphere to pick up good habits.
Once you only said in the previous
podcast,
episode
yes.
that आप जितना फोन पे रहोगे बच्चा देखेगा मम्मी फोन पे है डैडी फोन पे है तो डेफिनेटली वो भी फोन.
Yes.
एंड देन वी स्टार्ट yelling at kids that stop look seeing the phone and don't take much screen time, but वो indirectly देख भी तो वही रहा है घर के अंदर.
हम तो वही पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हैं ना. वी आर एडवर्टाइजिंग बिहेवियर. तो हम जो एडवर्टाइज करते हैं वो लोग के लिए हम जो टीवी पे एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखते हैं वो देख के हम भी बाई सर्टेन प्रोडक्ट्स ना कि हाँ ये अच्छा होगा. तो हम तो लाइव एग्जांपल सेट करें बच्चों के लिए. वी आर एडवर्टाइजिंग. सो व्हाट वी आर द वे वी ड्रेस. सो यंग गर्ल्स आल्सो आप देखोगे तो दे विल बी in front of the mirror wanting to do makeup and all. Why? Because they see their mothers and it's not wrong, it's okay. We get ready and all. Those are normal neutral behaviors. But when we talk about behaviors which could affect them now and also future, like the phone habits, या फिर how you talk to people around you, how you treat your the people lower than you, like your house help, या फिर आप जब होटल में जाते हो तो how do you treat the waiters over there, या फिर on the road, your cleaners, how do you treat them, how do you talk to them, they are going to pick up the same habits. How do you talk about other religions, how do you talk about other communities,
Right.
they are going to pick up the same thing and they are just picking it up from house. They don't get some dreams and visuals that I'm supposed to behave this way. No.
Also nowadays I feel school play a major part in this. There is a lot of discrimination happening in the school itself. I never taught my son to disrespect any other religion, but there are few things, I would not like to name it, but there are few things he learned from his school friends.
Yeah.
And one day I was shocked. I was like, ये क्या बोल रहा है बेटा? So नहीं, मेरा friend बोलता है.
Yes.
तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. I said, do you know कि आपका friend बोल रहा है तो वो सही बोल रहा होगा?
Yeah, absolutely.
So then I sat with him and I made him understand कि see, we are human beings and our creator is God and we are supposed to respect every religion.
Absolutely.
And even our religion doesn't teach us to disrespect any other religion. No religion teaches you
no
that.
religion. See, we all fight for one God.
One God.
God
yes.
is only one.
Yes.
So it's just the approach we all follow is different.
Is
Somebody
different,
follows in
yes.
this way, somebody follows this way. So that it all happens. It all begins at home. Okay, you should follow your religion with whole of your heart. Okay, there's no question in that. But that does not mean you have the right to talk ill about another person's religion or
Yes.
another person's belief. Okay,
Yes.
that happens at home. Again, talking also about how people or how parents behave with house help. So I have seen small children sitting in restaurants and ordering waiters, and if they are little also they falter. ऐसे बात करते हैं जैसे कि there is no tamiz.
No manners at all.
It's because their parents are talking to
Someone like
people like that. So discipline happens and begins from home.
right.
And we need to ensure that हम लोग एक अच्छा environment create करें बच्चों के लिए for that. So we have to be very careful जब हमारे बच्चे आसपास हो. And वो again comes back to ourself कि हम लोग कितने disciplined है life में कि हम लोग सिर्फ एक फेक शो कर रहे हैं. इट्स जस्ट फेक अपने बच्चे के लिए क्या, या फिर हम एक्चुअली वो इंसान हैं. एंड अगर वी आर गुड पीपल वी विल पास ऑन गुड वैल्यूज. एंड आई डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग इज गुड एंड बैड ऑल्सो. इट्स जस्ट अबाउट रिस्पेक्ट.
Yes.
हर चीज़ को रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. किसी चीज़ को अब्यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. लाइक टेक्नोलॉजी को हो या फिर फ़ोन्स को इतना भी किसी चीज़ को ओवर यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. सो वो सब लिमिटेशंस, मॉडरेशंस, रिस्पेक्ट, how you talk, your mannerisms, वो सब reflect होगा आपके बच्चे में. So at times, if not for ourselves, we have to do it for our child.
So for parents, so you have given a lot of messages. Today, I would want you to give a strong message to schools that what should actually they teach children apart from education? What should they inculcate in them? Because children, I believe, is the future of our country.
Yeah, absolutely. So I wouldn't want to like really highlight which school I went to, but I wouldn't even want to name my school right now. But I was in a convent in Pune, and our school taught us one thing, that no religion or no caste or creed is above or below the other. And I think we all,
100%.
even as schools and as institutions, we should follow that. And we should accept the people as they are, whatever color, whatever, however they are, however they appear to be. We should not be racist. We should not mock at appearances of
Yes.
other children, because we are all created at the end of the day by one
By
person.
one,
And so if someone is fairer than the other, or darker than the other, or taller or shorter, or heavier, or slimmer, it's okay.
Yes.
So body shaming, religion shaming, even knowledge shaming at times. If someone is not able to pick up as much as knowledge as the other person, knowledge shaming, or like house shaming also, that oh, that person lives in. So this shaming culture has to stop. And we all have to treat each other as equals. We should recognize each other by their characteristics and by their manners, rather than where they come from, what they come from. So I think that's something which we all need to follow and obey, and respect for everybody. One other important thing is uh, the words we use in front of children again are very important. We have to use positive reinforcement. So instead of saying, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this, they will never be disciplined when they hear the word no. Instead of say, give them options, or instead of say, do you want to do this?
Okay.
So instead of saying don't watch TV or don't be on the phone, you can say, do you want to do coloring, or do you want to make something with your craft, or do you want to read a book? So give them options and give them positive words. Don't
Right.
always use the word no, don't, why, mat karo, aise mat karo. तो वो लोग वो
और यही चीजें हम फ्लो में करते हैं
करते
बहुत
हैं,
बार.
एंड वो उसके कान रिडंडेंट हो जाते हैं. मतलब दे स्टॉप लिसनिंग टू यू, बिकॉज उसके बाद वो उनको पता है कि मॉम सिर्फ नो 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 नो, दे शट डाउन. देन दे शट डाउन. But the moment you give them options, a part of the wiring of the brain kind of activates. Okay, fine, I have to make a decision now. Okay,
Right.
do I want to do coloring, or do I want to do craft, or do I want to read a book? Then they are into decision mode. So that is very important in inculcating habits. And rather than saying don't do this, say that, do you want to do this or this? So they will have, and it takes time, but it works brilliantly.
Sakina, one last question. As a parent, what techniques should be applied to keep children motivated and growth mindset?
Okay, so growth mindset does not always mean 100 out of 100 or 10 out of 10. मतलब अगर एग्जाम है तो 10 out of 10 आना ही चाहिए, नहीं. अगर एक कंपटीशन है, एक परफॉर्मेंस है, या फिर एक whatever, there is a inter school, whatever competitions are there, that child always, of course, should practice and work hard towards trying to win. That is the motive. But one thing parents need to bear in mind, and also need to train their children, that participation is always more important than the final result. Final result is important. We have to inculcate the values of good competition and trying to score. Only then will they try to succeed. But जो रिवॉर्ड सिस्टम का जो हम बिजनेस लेके बैठे हैं, या फिर एक फॉर्मेट लेके बैठे हैं कि ओनली इफ माई चाइल्ड विन्स दिस कॉम्पिटिशन, आई विल रिवॉर्ड माई चाइल्ड विद समथिंग. तो वी टेल द चिल्ड्रन ना कि आप ये कॉम्पिटिशन में अगर आप फर्स्ट आ जाओगे तो मैं आपको एक बाइसिकल दे दूंगा, या फिर मैं आपको ये दे दूंगी, वॉट एवर. इट्स अ वेरी रिजल्ट ड्रिवन वर्ल्ड दैट वी लिव इन. It should be effort driven, not result driven.
Not result driven. Agreed.
So if my child participates, and my child has participated in speech and drama competitions, she has won, but then there are times she has not won. So I come out, and of course she is happy and elated when she wins, and she of course needs me to of course appreciate her, but I think she needs me more during the times she fails.
Yes.
So when a child has already not aced that award, I think वो time पे your child needs you more. So वो time पे the first thing I do is I go a hug. I'm like, you did a brilliant job. Maybe other people did better than you. And ये भी बहुत important चीज़ है that आप दूसरे लोगों कि बुराई ना करो कि no that person didn't deserve, you deserved it.
हाँ.
तो वो that's very let's
That's very
co-competition.
wrong. Co-competition, yes.
So you have to say that you did a brilliant job, but maybe that person did a little bit better than you. Maybe उसने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा
And that's
कर लिया
okay.
effort. आप next time उससे better कर लेना, कोई नहीं. Let's go. Let's have an ice cream or treat them or give them reward for participation.
Yes.
So it has to be effort driven, not result driven. कितना effort? हाँ, अगर आपके बच्चे ने effort डाला ही नहीं and you're seeing that my child has not put effort, hence my child did not go through. I'm not saying go and reward the child, but you have seen with your eyes that my child is working hard towards it. फिर भी that child could not make it. Reward that child for effort. Because that will encourage your child to put in more effort. आप बोलो उसको कि आपने effort किया है, next time थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, little bit more. So वो एक चीज़ उसमें आता है कि I am seen even, मतलब my parents only don't love me because I win. My parents love me because I exist and I'm working hard towards my goals. So वो एक important चीज़ I think as parents we need to keep in mind.
I always tell my children now, my elders and all, don't run behind getting 80%, 90%. I'm happy with whatever percent you get. I don't want you to run in a race that मुझे इतने percentage लाना है तो ही मुझे अच्छे marks आएंगे तो ही I'm going to achieve something in life. I said no. Focus on learning. Don't focus on marks.
Yes,
I always
yes.
tell him this.
You have to focus on learning. They need to know that they have to achieve. मतलब effort के लिए there are no compromise. You have to put in the effort. You have to put your study hours. You have to do all of that. But then after doing all of that, you can't achieve. It's okay. At least you put in your effort now. It's okay. Maybe somebody else will, and there'll always be somebody better than you. In every field of life, there will be somebody who's doing better than me. There'll be somebody who's doing better than somebody else. So it's a part of life. It's about effort. How much justice am I doing to myself?
A father once told a daughter, it was a sports day in the school, and father said that I don't want you to run in a race that, oh, you won or you lose.
Yeah.
Today is the day I want you to enjoy. And if I see you enjoying, I'll come in the audience, I'll sit with other parents. If I see you enjoy, only then I'm going to take you to the pizza. So what the daughter did was, when the teacher said, on your mark, get, set, go. And when all the children were running on the right side, the child turned and started running on the left side. And she started enjoying there.
How nice.
So then the father was like, now I'm going to take you at a pizza date.
Yeah, having fun is so important in what you do.
That one reel I saw on Instagram, and it taught me so much out of that.
Yeah, you have
I
to
think somewhere you are relating the same thing.
Yes, absolutely. Winning is important. We all are working hard for that. But that should not be the only goal of life. The process should also be, the learning is an experience. The process is an experience. You have to take all of it in.
So I hope ये episode आपको self discipline में बहुत help करेगा, साथ ही kids की self discipline में भी बहुत help करेगा. Sakina, you were wonderful throughout the episode. So now it's time for some rapid fire round. Sakina, define yourself in one word.
Fabulous.
Oh, wow. Love or friendship?
Friendship.
Money or happiness?
Happiness, of course.
Cats or dogs?
Cats. Actually, yeah, cats, I guess.
Do you shower at night or in the morning?
Morning. No, no, that's okay, but I don't usually, because I like to do it have a shower in the morning. Usually it's like a late morning thing I do.
So what's the best thing about being an NLP coach?
You're aware. Awareness. Being aware of how you feel and why do you feel, and being able to analyze your feelings. I think that's a superpower by itself.
Okay. Would you rather fly or have a super strength?
Super strength.
Okay. A night out or a night in?
Night in. Night in.
Okay. So physical strength or mental strength?
Mental over anything.
Do you kill bugs you find inside or take them outside?
I wouldn't take them outside. I don't know. I'll kill bugs inside.
A silly one.
Yeah. Haven't really thought about it ever.
Okay. So one last one. Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yes. I don't believe in love at first sight, but I do believe in vibes in the first meet. So yeah, it boils down to the same thing, yeah.
So आज के episode की closing note will be given by Sakina. Till then, you know what you got to do. मैं आपसे मिलूंगी अगले episode में. Like, share and subscribe.
So thank you once again for being with us on another wonderful podcast by Shamaiza. And just a keynote that self-discipline is power. It's a control over your mind. And let us know what topic do you want us to talk on in the next episode. Mention it in the comments. Also mention how did you find this episode and what new would you want to know? How would you want to train your mind? And what topics would you want to be an expert? So thank you. Keep watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.